In the given question, we are going to prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. So let us take the LHS. LHS is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. We are going to multiply the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator. That is cos A minus sin A plus 1 into cos A plus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 into cos A plus sin A plus 1. I am going to solve the I am going to simplify the numerator and denominator separately. So the numerator is equal to, I am going to open the bracket of the numerator, that is cos A into cos A plus cos A into sin A plus cos A into 1 plus minus sin A into cos A plus minus sin A into sin A plus minus sin A into 1 plus 1 into cos A plus 1 into sin A plus 1 into 1. So the numerator becomes cos square A plus cos A sin A plus cos A minus cos A sin A minus sin square A minus sin A plus cos A plus sin A plus 1. Here we are going to rearrange. First we are going to cancel some of them. Here there is a plus sin A and there is a minus sin A. It becomes 0. Here there is a cos A sin A and a minus cos A sin A. So it becomes 0. Rest we can write as numerator becomes numerator so our numerator is equal to cos square A minus sin square A plus 2 cos A plus 1. There is some more rearrangement, so it becomes cos square A plus 2 cos A plus 1 minus sin square A, and the 1 minus sin square A becomes cos square A, so it becomes cos square A plus 2 cos A plus cos square a. Cos square a plus cos square a is equal to 2 cos square a. 2 cos square a plus 2 cos a. I am going to take the 2 common, so it becomes 2 into cos square a plus cos a. Okay. Next, we are going to simplify the denominator. Denominator is equal to cos a plus sin a minus 1 into cos a plus sin a plus 1. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So it becomes a square minus b square. That is denominator becomes a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square. That is cos a plus sin a the whole square minus 1 square. Let us expand cos a plus sin a the whole square. So it becomes cos square a plus sin square a plus 2 cos a sin a minus 1. So denominator becomes cos square a plus sin square is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 cos a sin a minus 1. 1 minus 1 and minus 1 becomes 0, and our denominator becomes 2 cos a sin a. And our numerator is equal to 2 into cos square a plus cos a. Next, I am going to take the cos square 1 cos a outside the bracket as common. So it becomes 2 into cos a into cos a plus 1. Our LHS is numerator divided by denominator. Our LHS is equal to numerator by denominator. So it becomes numerator is 2 cos a into cos a plus 1 by 2 cos a sin a. From the numerator and denominator, 2 cos a cancels. The next step it becomes 1 plus cos a by sin a. I am going to distribute the denominator, so it becomes 1 by sin a plus cos a by sin a. 1 by sin a is cosec a, and cos a by sin a is cot a, which is the RHS. Thank you.